What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to reset the oil life after an oil change on a 2023 Dodge Durango. So after you change the oil in your Durango, you want to make sure that you go ahead and reset the oil life. In order to do that, we'll need to be in the vehicle with it either running or the ignition in the on position. Then I'm going to be using these buttons on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. The first thing I'm going to do is scroll up or down and keep scrolling up or down until we get to the vehicle info screen. That's this screen here, the one that has an icon of a little car right here. Once we're on this screen, I'm going to scroll left or right and keep scrolling left or right until we get to our oil life percentage screen. Then we have it popped up here. You can see this one's already been reset. But in order to reset it, once we have this screen up, we just need to press and hold down the OK button for a few seconds. So press and hold that down for a few seconds and then release. And then if it wasn't already, it would be reset back to 100%. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.